This is Devin Williams, and this is my inspirational speech. Lee McDuffie, aka Pops, is my inspiration. I'm gonna be telling y'all about today. He is been a big help in my life, helping me from respect and working towards my goals, and just being a father figure in my life. He is a great man who runs his own company and brought me and other players from AAU basketball and traveled around the world and helped us. He has taught me to work hard and to keep pushing to achieve my goals and work at it. He has also taught me to never get down on myself and to keep pushing when things go wrong. And he's basically just been there as a father figure and showing me around and just being a father that I never had. In the conclusion, I would like to say to Pops, aka Lee McDuffie / mentor, that he has been a blessing in my life and he has achieved a lot of goals and helping me become the man that I am today. He is a true inspiration in my life. Everyone can use a person like Lee McDuffie, even when I. Thank you, Lee McDuffie, aka Pops, for helping me become the man I am today.